Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson operations on rational numbers. I will discuss about the worksheet 1, that is addition of rational numbers. Question number 1, add the following: 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7. See, the denominators are same, so directly we have to add, isn't it? So 2 plus 5 by 7, that is equal to 7 by 7 is equal to 1. Now in the second sum, it is 9 is the denominator, minus 5 plus 7. So the denominator is 9. The signs are different, so we have to see for the difference, मतलब subtract. 5 और 7 में 7 is the greater number, so plus sign, so we are not putting the sign. 7 minus 5 is 2. Answer is 2 by 9. Now coming to the third sum, it is 2 3 by 11 plus 9 by minus 11. So first convert this into the improper fraction. So 11 2s are 22 plus 3 25 plus, now here the denominator is negative, convert into positive, multiply by minus 1. So numerator बनेगा minus 9, denominator बनेगा 11. Now denominator is 11, 25 plus minus 9. Now denominator is 11, 25 and minus 9. साइन अलग है तो 25 बड़ा नंबर है, that is plus. So subtract करेंगे तो 15 minus 9 is 6 and 1 remains. So answer is 16 by 11. Now coming to the fourth sum, the denominator is 4, minus 5 plus 5. Numbers are same, but the signs are different. That means 0 by 4, that is 0. Now coming to the fifth sum, minus 2 5 by 6. So convert, denominator is 6, sign is minus, 6 2s are 12 plus 5 17 plus, denominator is negative, make it positive by multiplying by minus 1. So numerator becomes minus 13. Now denominator is 6, minus 17 plus minus 13. Signs are same, so look for the sum, add करो, but the sign is minus. पहले डालो. 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 by 6, 6 1s are, 6 5s are, so the answer is minus 5. Now the sixth subdivision, the denominator is 3, minus 21 plus 18. So it will be, denominator is 3, different sign, look for the difference, मतलब subtract करो. 21 बड़ा है, उसका साइन माइनस है. 21 minus 18 is 3. So 3 1s are, 3 1s are, answer is minus 1. Hope you have understood this first sum. Here the denominator is same, so directly you can add the numerators. Now coming to the second sum, it is the denominators are different, so we have to take the LCM and all. Hope you remember, we have already discussed in the example. So 4 by 9 plus 9 by 4. First we will write the LCM. LCM is equal to, bigger number is 9, they are not the prime numbers, so bigger number is 9. Tell the table of 9, multiplicative, the multiples of 9. 9 ones are 9, 4 में नहीं है, 9 twos are 18, 4 में नहीं है, 9 threes are 27, 4 में नहीं है, 9 fours are 36. Yeah, for 36 is there in a table of 4. So now convert. It is a 4 by 9. 9 how much are 36? 4s are plus 7 by 4. 4 9s are. Now 4 4s are 16 by 36 plus 7 9s are 63 by 36. Both are positive. Denominator is 36. 6 plus 3 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. Answer is 79 by 36. Now coming to the second sum, it is 11 and 4. 11 is the bigger number, so LCM will be 11 fours are 44. Next, it is a minus 7 by 11. Convert to 44 plus 1 by 4 multiply by 11 to convert to 44. So minus 7 fours are 28 by 44 plus 1 11s are 11 by 44. The denominator is 44. Different signs, you have to subtract. 28 is bigger, so minus. 8 minus 1, 7. 2 minus 1, 1. Answer is minus 17 by 44. Now here 8 and 5. LCM will be 40. 5 का table में the numbers should end with the 5 and 0. So it will be 8 5s are 40. So convert 5 by 8. 8 5s are multiply by 5 plus minus 3 by 5. 5 8s are. Now here 5 5s are 25 by 40 plus minus minus 8 3s are 24 by 40. Denominator is 40. Signs are different. 25 is bigger. Sign is plus. No need of putting. 25 minus 24 is 1. Answer is 1 by 40. Is it clear? Hope everyone is understanding the method. Now coming to the fourth subdivision, 63 and 7. 63 is the bigger number. 7 के table में 63 है. That is why LCM is equal to 63. Now 10 by 63. It remains the same. Convert 7 into 63. 7 9s are. So it will be 10 by 63 plus 6 9s are 54 by 63. Both are positive. So denominator is 63. 10 plus 54 is 64. Coming to the fifth subdivision, 64 and minus 16. First convert this into positive. Minus 7 by 64 plus minus 3 by 16. First rewrite the question. Now 64 is the bigger number. 64 comes in the table of 16. It is a multiple of 16. So LCM is equal to 64. So first one, it will be the same as it is. Second, minus 3 by 16. 16 fours are 64. So it will be minus 7 by 64 plus minus, isn't it? Plus minus 3 fours are 12 by 64. Denominator is 64. Numerator, both are negative. So you have to add. Sign is minus. 12 plus 7 is 19. Answer is minus 19 by 64. Now coming to the sixth subdivision, 12 and 20. So bigger number is 20. 20 के टेबल में 21 are 20, 22 are 40, 23 are 60 है ना. So 12 के टेबल में 60 है. So LCM is equal to 60. So 5 by 12, 12 5s are 60 plus minus 9 by 20, 23s are 60. Hope everyone is understanding the methods. 5 5s are 25 by 60 plus, here plus and minus, so multiplication के वक्त ये minus बनेगा. 9 3s are 27 by 60. Now the denominator is 60 plus minus, different signs, so we have to subtract. 27 is bigger, it has got minus sign, so minus. 27 minus 25 is 2. Now 2 and 60, it can be simplified. 2 1s are 2 30s are. So answer is minus 1 by 30. Is it okay? So we have completed the question number 2. Now coming to the question number 3, it is for the commutative property. Remember what is commutative property? So two rational numbers, when you add in two different ways, the answer remains the same. So it is x plus y is equal to y plus x, and the values are given. So first we'll write LHS x plus y. This x 5 by 7, y is minus 3 by 2. Now we won't write LCM is equal to and all directly. We'll do 7 and 2, the prime numbers. So 7 2s are 14. So 5 by 7, 7 2s are 14. Multiply the numerator by 2 plus minus 3 by 2, 2 7s are 14. Now 5 2s are 10 by 14 plus minus 3 7s are 21 by 14. So you got different signs. So subtract. 21 is bigger, it is minus. 21 minus 10 is 11 by 14. So you got minus 11 by 14. Now RHS y plus x. है ना? So put the values. Y is minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 7. Now here it will be the same but interchange. So ये पहले लिखने का, ये वाला बाद में. So minus 3 by 2 into 7, because 14 is the LCM, plus 5 by 7 into 2. So minus plus minus, 7 3s are 21, upon 14 plus 5 2s are 10 upon 14. So the numerators different sign, subtract, 21 is bigger, sign is minus 11 by 14. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. Is it okay? Hope you have understood. You have to write LHS, RHS, okay? Now coming to the second subdivision, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3 by 2. So first LHS, x plus y, 5 plus 3 by 2. Now 5 means 5 by 1. Now 1 and 2, LCM will be 2. So 5 by 1 convert into the LCM 2. Second one, it will be as it is. So 5 2s are 10 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 2. Now RHS, it is a y plus x, it is 3 by 2 plus 5, that means 5 by 1. So 3 by 2 as it is. Now 5 by 1 convert into the base 2. So 3 by 2 plus 5 2s are 10 by 2, that is 13 by 2. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Is it clear? Now coming to the third subdivision, again the same method, LHS, x plus y is equal to minus 5 by 14 plus minus 1 by 21. Now the LCM 21 बड़ा नंबर है, 21 1s are 21, 22 2s are 42. So 14 का टेबल में 42 है. So minus 5 by 14 into 14 3s are 42 plus minus 1 by 21, 21 2s are. So अभी आया plus minus minus 5 3s are 15 by 42 plus minus plus minus 2 1s are 2 by 42. अभी दोनों को ऐड करने का है क्योंकि साइन सेम है. साइन इज माइनस 17 by 42. Now coming to the RHS, that is y plus x, that is a minus 1 by 21 plus minus 5 by 14. Same interchange. Minus 1 by 21 2s are plus minus 5 by 14 3s are. Now it is a minus 2 by 42 plus minus 15 by 42. You got minus 17 by 42. That is LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. Is it okay? Hope everyone is understanding, isn't it? Now coming to the fourth subdivision, LHS, x plus y. Here also it is minus 8 plus 9 by 2. Minus 8 means denominator is 1. So the LCM is 2. So minus 8 by 1 convert into 2 plus 9 by 2 will be as it is. This becomes plus minus minus 8 2s are 16 by 2 plus 9 by 2. Now denominator is 2. Signs are different. Subtract करो. 16 बड़ा है. Minus sign डालो. 16 minus 9 is 7. So you got minus 7 by 2. Now RHS, it is y plus x. It is 9 by 2 plus minus 8. मतलब denominator 1. So 2 is the LCM, 9 by 2 as it is. Now minus 8 by 1 convert into the denominator 2. So multiply by 2. So it becomes 9 by 2 plus minus 16 by 2. Now denominator is 2. Different signs. So minus 16 is big, sign is minus, and 16 minus 9 is 7. So both the answers are same. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Is it okay? So hope everyone understood the up to question number 3. Is it clear? Okay then, bye. Thank you for watching the video.